Steve!
Wait, before you start.
Wait.
Get a picture of all the mousetraps and put it on our
We need a photo for the website? All right.
Eyeballs on.
Hey gentlemen, I am so glad that you came to the class today.
We came as a couple because
We're a dance couple.
we're a dance couple. We're about to get married, and you know how they always have the first dance.
Oh,
We're not going to.
We're not getting married together. We're just gotta practice because our fiancés don't want to come
We're
with
going to do some creative movement instead of the traditional waltz.
Okay, so no salsas or anything like that?
No
just
ballroom dancing.
creative,
We just want to
interpretive dance.
move with the spirit.
Really? Move in the spirit. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. Why don't we go ahead and just stretch a little bit first?
Okay.
Go ahead and just put your right foot forward and stretch.
Okay.
A little bit. And maybe a little bit further. Just really stretch. Really put yourself into it.
Where are you?
I'm right here, buddy. I got a good stretch going too.
There, good stretch. Now move your left leg back out to the front as well. Move the whole body forward.
This is easy.
Yeah, well, it's gonna get harder. Believe me.
I'm liking these dance lessons, I'll tell you that.
Okay, now I'd like you to work your arms a little bit. So I'm gonna have you go down into a push-up stance. Just go ahead and put your hands. And if you could just go ahead and do a couple of push-ups just to help you get your arms ready for this.
Don't do a push-up on me. Okay. Wow.
That's great. That's some really.
I'm really feeling warmed up.
That's some excellent movement, boys.
I feel really warmed up right now.
I'm terrified!
I almost feel like we could, create a secondary, like Fame Part 2. I think you guys are really getting into this, and I think it's very creative of you, and your wives are going to be loving it. So if you could just go ahead and move forward again a little bit more.
Just sort of
more kind of ballet swing.
Where are you?
I'm right here, buddy.
Okay, let's do a waltz.
Okay.
There you go.
Right, okay.
Move forward together.
Now, John. Listen to me.
I can't listen to you.
Now, on our wedding day, you know our wives will want us to go cheek to cheek, so let's try that. Okay, step forward.
There you go. Okay. And then spin each other out.
And spin?
So spinning yourselves away from each other. Okay. Yeah. Now, that's right. Just move straight forward, John. That's perfect the way you're going.
I'm really crying underneath these.
Dave, you should turn to your right.
Wow. I'm thinking dance isn't the thing for me.
But you can really feel it, right?
Oh, I can feel it.
Yeah. Like there's, emotion. Great emotion.
And I'm thinking.
Okay, now, again, I want you to take your partner there. You're right in front of each other, I can see. Dave,
John, come here.
you should come to the left a little bit, Dave. I think you're a little off. There you go, right down.
Wow, I'm just going to touch my toes for a minute.
Yeah, well, that's not bad. You've got a good workout so far. So
Yeah.
it's not a bad idea.
Wow, I'm working up a sweat here.
Now, if you could go into a, that's right, it's like that. Dave, you're going to like that.
That is not going to work out.
Not exactly what I was thinking, but Dave, you really should go out to your right and kind of let John have some space. Just go to your right there, Dave. You need to let John have some space.
Yeah, just give me some space, man.
Feel his artistic
I'm in my own space.
Feel is really coming out.
Hey, John, watch this. My
Dave,
pirouette.
spin, pirouette, spin. A little more. There you go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Feel the joy. Okay, now,
I feel good.
This is amazing.
I think it would be a good idea to do the log roll now, gentlemen.
A log
A
roll.
log roll. I think that's probably the most important part of creative dance. Get right down on your bellies and roll.
Well, you're right.
Yeah, it really is a creative movement.
This is really helping out.
Okay, Dave. Now roll back the other way.
Roll back the other way.
Roll back the other way.
Dave, I don't know why you're so
Lovely.
wow. I feel alive.
I'm in the fetal position.
That's good.
Mr. Stevens.
Yes.
When's this class over?
Well, I think we really only have one movement left, and I think this.
I think I just had a movement. I don't think I have anything left.
That's not exactly the movement I was thinking of, but if you could stand up for me now, I think enough rolling on the floor.
Yeah, that's what I say.
Yeah. Just go ahead and stand straight up where you are.
Okay.
Now, if you were to just take 4 or 5 steps backwards.
Okay. I'm just gonna go back to my.
Yeah, I'm just going to back to the original place.
I'm gonna go back to the wall.
Hey, John, I feel good.
Oh. That's.
No, it's good.
No,
It's good.
I got.
You've
Oh.
got a
Wow.
good feeling going on.
I got.
John, where are you?
I'm over here being.
Now come to
Wow,
the,
you know what? I'm gonna do a one-legged creative movement.
It's like a crane stance.
I'm gonna do my crane.
Dave, if you just walk forward and turn yourself in a pirouette again to your left.
I'm exploring the wall.
Yeah. Wow, gentlemen, I think you've done a wonderful job. I can't say exactly, but I gotta say we've got a movie in your future, a dance movie. I think.
Thank you so much.
It's been very, very good.